Good morning everyone, respected ma'am and sir. First of all, thank you giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is B. Haritanjali. I am studying BJC in Sri Sai Degree College. My father's name is B. Ravi Kumar. He is a foreman. My mother's name is B. Shashikala. She is a wife. My lecturer's name is Afrin ma'am. Today my topic is cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. A small but very important subphylum of cortex. Cephalochordata are marine animals. It has a fish-like body with a part notochord, dorsal, tuberal, nerve cord, caudal fins, myostomes, arteriosporae, and ventral fingers, oral chili, etc. We all know that there is a 25 species. Classification of cephalochordata: kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Deuterometosomia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Cephalochordata. A smallest subphylum of cephalochordata. General characteristics of cephalochordata. Cephalochordata are marine animals. They are small like fish, enlarged like fish. They are small, enlarged fish like marine animals. The notochord extends the posterior end to the anterior end of the body behind the nerve cord. So cephalo means head, chordata means cord. They show the 5 basic chordata characters throughout life: nerve cord, dorsal, tuberal nerve cord, pharynges with gill slides, tuberal nerve cord, and postal anal type. There is a size between 2.5 to 7 centimeters. Movement, myostomes, segmented muscles. Myostomes means the body wall has a V-shaped muscles called myostomes, which helps to swimming, respiration through gills. Gills are mainly for feeding but also exchange of gases. Have a circulatory system, closed type, but no heart, no respiratory pigments, no blood corpus, example RCB, and excretion by protonephridia, and reproduction sexes are separated, but external fertilization occurs in water. With development is indirect with a larva form. Habitat. Cephalochordata are marine animals found in shallow, tropical and temperate seas. Usually occurs in coarse sand. The best common example of cephalochordata are branchiostoma, also called amphibians. And the digestive system. Filter fertilization mechanism. Water passes through the mouth with the help of buccal chili and pharynx with gill slides, while water exists through the amphiphore. And conclusion. And so finally we conclude that cephalochordata are simple marine animals found in shallow, tropical and temperate seas, and that play an important role in understanding the evolution of vertebrates and invertebrates. Thank you for giving this opportunity for principal sir and management. Special thanks for our